There are two main aims of ethics. When I say aims, I mean objectives or goals. So the first aim of ethics is theoretical. The theoretical aim is to explain and understand morality and the central moral concepts that we employ in our society. In other words, we want to be able to explain exactly what makes an action right or wrong. We want to be able to understand exactly what makes a person good or bad. To this end, various moral theories have been proposed that each try to propose or provide their own unique perspective on morality and these central moral concepts. We will explore some of these moral theories at the beginning of the semester as a way of getting multiple understandings of the moral issues and the moral concepts that will be the focus of our class. The second aim of ethics is the practical aim. The practical aim is to provide actual guidance in real life moral situations. It's good to be able to understand and explain morality and moral concepts, but you also want your understanding to actually provide you with guidance in real life. That is, you want your understanding to help you to do the right thing, to make the right choices, to perform the right actions so that you can actually be a good person. If a moral theory doesn't help you achieve that end, then that moral theory isn't very practical and it's probably not a good moral theory. In this class, we will be fulfilling both of these aims of ethics. We will fulfill the theoretical aim by exploring the moral theories, but we will also fulfill the practical aim by applying these moral theories to actual moral issues that are relevant to our society and our lives. Um, and hopefully, by doing that, you will have more guidance in your life and in your thinking regarding these real moral issues.